Hello and welcome to the Daily Jobs Digest with the Travel with Clem brands. If you are new here, my name is Clementine Fana and you can call me Dr. Clem, and I teach people like you how to find a remote job using the skills that you have. Over the past few months, my team and I we've been sharing daily jobs from companies hiring internationally, and now we're going to continue doing that, but we're going to do it with a little bit of a spin. Instead of sharing daily jobs opportunities, we're actually going to send opportunities every week based on different skills categories. That will make it easier for you, depending on your skills category, to just hop on the job opportunities that are relevant to you. So today in this video, we're going to share companies that are hiring in customer service jobs across the world. So it doesn't matter where you are located. Once you have experience in customer service, you can apply for these jobs. Now, if you want to continue getting those resources, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and turn on your post notifications so that you are the first one to know every single time we have these new opportunities. Finally, I wanted to let you know that I developed a specific bundle called the Remote Work Starter Pack that is going to help you optimize your cover letters and resumes when you are applying for online job opportunities. And you can get the Remote Work Starter Pack in the link in the description box below. With no further ado, let us look at customer support positions open this week. The company is called Lead Simple and it's looking for a customer success associate. So basically, they tell you more about the role. So we're a small team solving big problems in the property management industry. Bootstrapped since 2013, we are passionate about helping small businesses simplify growth and streamline operations, providing the leading CRM in our space. So they tell you a bit more about your company and they tell you what the expectations are for you in the first 90 days of employment. So within 90 days of working with them, they expect you to track and surface common customer requests and feedback, communicate crisply, maintain a high degree of customer satisfaction, demonstrate ability to embrace new technology, learn quickly, and be proactive. So a day in the life of a customer service agent within that team will involve a lot of those tasks that we mentioned before, and you can read more about it as well in the description box, as we're going to include a link to this job. Now, perks of being on the team: you have monthly Friday free days, which means that I guess once in a month you don't work on Fridays or something like that. You can definitely discuss with them during the interview. Company holidays, paid time off in addition to the company holidays, monthly healthcare allowance, yearly vacation allowance, fun and relaxed work environment with smart, caring people, location independent, mission-driven company, and values based on the culture. And they ask you to just apply if you are open to embracing new technology, you learn quickly, and you seek out new knowledge, you have a deep commitment to customer satisfaction, you are very well at communicating in English, and you have a can-do attitude, you can take leadership and ownership and so forth. So they have an amazing team of 8 players and they're ready to add more. So the selected candidates might have written assessments and multiple interviews with different people. We'll do whatever it takes to get the right person in the right seat. And if you think you will thrive in the above environment and make an impact to our customers, we'd love to talk to you. All right, so they tell you more about the company, and this is the link to apply. So you just click on that link. It's going to take you to a Google form that you will have to fill. You have to be signed in using your Google account. And to fill the form, you simply enter your email, your full name, your phone number, the position you're applying for. So this tells you that they actually have several online job positions. So they have customer success, implementation pilot, customer success associate, and then you can also, if you see any other position on the website that you want to apply for, you can click on other and indicate what position you want to apply for. How did you hear about them? You can click here, other or referral, and simply include the Travel with Clem brands or include our website. I'll be really happy if you could indicate that you heard about the position from us. Upload your resume and state where you are currently working. This shows you that they are open to people working from anywhere. Your time zone, what stands out to you about the opportunity, and a short video intro. They specify you don't have to be fancy, just a short video of you telling us who you are and why you want to work at Lead Simple. So generally, these application processes are usually pretty quick and pretty straight to the point. Even if a task feels like, oh my God, it's out of my reach, always do what they ask you to do, because that is what's going to differentiate you from the other applicants and from the competition. So I encourage you to go for it, apply, send your application, and then we're going to see more job openings in customer service in this video. So once you're done sending your application for this one, head over to the next job that we are going to talk about now. All right, the next company that is hiring, or the next job opportunity that we have is for a customer service position. And the company says they are mostly hiring outside of the US, and they're paying about 1,000 US per month plus commission. That's amazing. So who is this job for? You are cool, under pressure, adept at calming down people who are frustrated, and excellent at establishing rapport quickly over the phone with senior citizens. People who know you will describe you as a compassionate and warm person who is intuitive about other people's needs and work tirelessly to leave them happy and satisfied. You are skilled at using software, mostly Zendesk. Zendesk is a ticket management software, and you can multitask, carrying on one conversation while investigating your customer's needs. You are happy to work US hours and excited about contributing multiple years to community fund, with many opportunities for advancement as you prove yourself. And this goes without saying, but you have excellent verbal and written communication skills and so forth. So as part of this position, you'll be responsible for tracking customers that contact the company, ensuring that customers are satisfied with the deliverables, building relationships with customers, and reducing churn, upselling, meaning that you will listen for opportunities to upsell of the customers on additional products that the company offers. Your work shift will be 40 hours a week, and they are currently open from 10 a.m. Eastern time to 7 p.m. Eastern time, Monday through Sunday. So if you are interested in the job, click on apply now, enter your name, full name, your email address, upload your resume, and then answer this question: is the customer always right? Now, when they indicate application questions, it doesn't mean that you just answer like yes or no. Whatever answer you provide, you have to be able to back it up with some evidence, or the rationale behind what you're saying. What is your Enneagram? Enneagram is kind of like a new thing where they use to basically assess people's personality and how they interact with others. I think you can basically just take the test here, and they also ask to do the test. So you go on the website and send a 30-second screencast describing what the company does. Okay, so you will use Loom to record the video. And once you're done using Loom, you need to download Loom. Once you're done using it, you can just delete it from your computer. And do you have Zendesk and or Chargebee experience? So if you don't have experience in using any of these software, you can say that you don't have experience, and because you haven't had the opportunity to explore this software before, but you are willing to learn as you grow with the company and so forth. I have a database to tell you how to answer specific application questions like that. If you are interested in that, simply drop a comment under this video to let me know I'm interested in finding out more about how to answer application questions, and I will forward that to you once we get your answer. So once you're done with that, simply click on submit applications and you're good to go. Now you'll be done applying for this job. Now it's time to move on to the next opportunity. All right, the next company we are looking at is called Kindbody, and they are looking for a financial coordinator. So Kindbody is a leading fertility clinic network and family building benefits provider for employers offering comprehensive virtual and in-person care. So the company's clinically managed program includes fertility assessments and education, fertility preservation, genetic testing, IVF, donor and surrogacy services, adoption, as well as physical, mental, and emotional support from preconception through postpartum. Now, as an experienced patient financial coordinator, you'll be working in a fast-paced, rapidly growing environment where you'll be relied on for your expertise, professionalism, and collaboration. They are looking for somebody to join their company to coordinate the financial aspects of the patient's care. This role will have a large emphasis on customer relations. You must be comfortable interacting, communicating, and working directly with patients, and this role is a remote full-time position. So this is really important for you if you have experience in customer service in general, but if you have a background in the medical field, like as a medical student, as a nursing student, as a medical doctor, as a professional nurse and so forth, these are assets that you can actually put forward for you to become more competitive for this job application. All right, so they tell you a little bit more about what the responsibilities include. I browsed through it, and there is a wide range of responsibilities such as patient education, patient consultations, verifying insurance benefits, explaining insurance coverage and treatment, patient advocacy, follow-ups, and review of contracts and so forth. It's really exciting and interesting as well for somebody who's in the healthcare field. So I'll definitely recommend going through those different responsibilities to really see what is going to be involved in this work position. There's also going to be a certain level of administrative duties, such as managing inbound customer communication, maintaining communication, and collaborating with stakeholders across the enterprise team, and other duties. So now, who are you and who is this job for? Somebody with an associate degree or certificate from an accredited medical and billing school, 3 or plus years of experience or health plan billing experience in the employer benefit space, a passion for women's health or fertility, strong written and verbal communication skills, willingness to be flexible, detail-oriented with strong organization skills, exemplifies amazing customer service skills and professionalism, experience in insurance verification or benefits, and familiarity with health plans and medical terminology. So as you can see, they have a heavy focus on people who actually have experience in the medical field. But if you also don't have experience in the medical field, or even if you don't meet all the requirements, and that's something that you'll be excited to do, or a company you'll be loving to work with, I still encourage you to apply. Now, they give you additional perks of working with them, such as paid holidays, commuter transit benefits, job training and development opportunities, social events and wellness programming, and so forth. They also tell you more about the company and what they stand for. Now, to apply for this job, you will simply want to include your first and last name, email address, phone number, the city where you are located, again, showing that the company is hiring internationally. Upload your resume or your CV, your cover letter, and add information about your academic background and additional questions that they ask you. Again, remember, if you don't meet all the requirements, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't apply. And I actually have a dedicated section where I show you exactly how to answer different application questions when you don't meet, requirements, as well as templates that you can actually use when you don't meet all application requirements and the client is asking for this. If you are interested in that, make sure that you say that in the comments so that I can and my team can actually give you access to these resources. Now let's move on to the next job opportunity. All right, so let's have a look at this last job position. That is Norwegian Customer Relations Ambassador at a company called 5CA. Now, they start by saying that they are looking for you to help them accelerate and continue delivering the best customer service experience. Within this role, you are the voice of the customer and assist them with any questions, concerns, advice, or moment of joy. Creating experiences, thinking outside the box, and being creative in offering the right solution is required. If sharing an experience with your customer is what motivates you, then you are a match to become an enthusiastic customer relation ambassador for 32 to 40 hours per week. That's part-time to full-time. You will support rituals customers on phones, email, and direct messaging, have the ability to genuinely interact, help, inspire, and be creative in your answers, leave the rituals, brands, and transform customers' everyday routines into more meaningful moments with your service, work for the award-winning company. And during the busiest season of the year, like the festive season, you need you to be there for the customers. Therefore, between September 2022 and January 2023, we are looking for you to help us accelerate and continue delivering the best customer experience. Now, you work remotely with international and motivated colleagues. Just like you, they have the full focus to deliver the best quality every time. You notice that especially by their creativity and solution-oriented mindset. And how do you describe our working atmosphere? Fun, connected, and with a lot of energy. Now, this job is for you if you are available between 32 and 40 hours per week, are a true problem solver and helping people makes you flourish. You are patient and maintain professional and polite behavior. You are customer focused and you are fluent or at least a master of English and Norwegian language. Now, I want to let you know that even if you don't speak Norwegian, I would still recommend you applying for this job. Yes, they are looking for somebody who speaks Norwegian, but I will tell you that there was a time when I landed one of my dream online jobs, even though I wasn't speaking the language that they were looking for. So if this is a company that you would love to work with, it's only a matter of you pitching yourself, knowing how to present yourself, and showing that you will be the right candidate for the job. The companies oftentimes open positions when they want to hire somebody, even if they are not who they had initially thought of. Now, more about the benefits, flexibility in deciding how much you want to work with a minimum of 32 hours per week, and you can work 100% remotely. All right. They also tell you more about their work shifts, like 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. from Monday to Sunday, and it may change depending on the business needs. So it doesn't mean that you will be working all these hours, but it means that your work hours will be overlapping within these hours, okay? They tell you more about the company as well, and you can read more about this in the link that we're going to include in the description box. To apply for this position, you could simply want to include your first and last name, email address, phone number, upload your resume or your CV, the country where you reside, your city of residence, your level of English and your level of Norwegian here. You can put beginner / I do not speak Norwegian, okay? And then you submit your application. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it the thumbs up and make sure you drop in the comment below what your skills category is so that my team and I can continue giving you or sharing with you job opportunities for people hiring within your skills category. See you in the next video. Bye.